About this item: 36x24-inch easel whiteboard set. Ohuhu 24x36 inches stand whiteboard offers 3 durable Flipchart hooks, 4 high-quality markers, 6 magnetic stickers, 2 erasers, and also comes with a detachable aluminum marker tray for holding writing supplies at hand. Great for classroom, home, office, store display, and kids drawing using smooth writing and easy to wipe. Ohuhu magnetic stand whiteboard comes with a smooth and durable writing surface. This whiteboard has a 3-layer paint finish on the coating surface, making it very easy to write on and easy to wipe clean without stain. Humanized design of adjustable height. There are scale markings on the tripod legs, which help adjust the height and balance easily from 42-inch to 63-inch. Whether you are sitting or standing, and whether you are a child or an adult, you can always find your favorite and most comfortable height. Flexible, multi-use. This tripod whiteboard comes with a steel elastic clamp and 3 Flipchart hooks on the top for hanging pads, papers, files, posters, calendars, or any other presentation materials. Lightweight but stands stable. Ohuhu Easel whiteboard comes with a steel pipe tripod with rubber feet, making it stable enough to stand firmly whether you're writing or erasing. Also can be easily adjusted.